Hey there, today let's take a fun journey into how our body handles stress and keeps everything in balance, kind of like a well-oiled machine. You see, when life throws us a curveball, our body kicks into gear through a process called allostatic load, which is basically how we adapt to stress over time. If the stress keeps piling up, we risk hitting allostatic overload, and that's when things can get a bit messy. So what happens inside? Well, it all starts with our brain, specifically the amygdala and hypothalamus. Those tiny but mighty regions that detect stress. They signal our autonomic nervous system, which controls things like heart rate and digestion, to respond quickly. For example, the sympathetic adrenal medullary pathway kicks in, flooding our body with adrenaline and noradrenaline. Think of them as your body's natural turbo boost. Meanwhile, the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis gets into action, releasing a peptide hormone called corticotrophin releasing factor. This prompts the pituitary gland to send out adrenocorticotropic hormone, which then tells the adrenal glands to produce cortisol, the famous stress hormone. Cortisol helps mobilize energy stores by breaking down proteins and fats into glucose and glycogen, so your muscles and brains have fuel to keep going. It also works to decrease inflammation, giving your body a chance to focus on the urgent task at hand. Now, cortisol doesn't just hang around forever, it follows a daily circadian rhythm, peaking in the morning to help you wake up and tapering off at night. This dynamic dance keeps your stress response in check, but remember, if stress is prolonged or intense, the balance can tip, leading to allostatic overload, where cortisol and other stress hormones like adrenaline and noradrenaline stay elevated longer than they should. All of these responses also influence gene expression, making your cells adapt to the stress, and interestingly, the way you perceive stress can even be influenced by things like the Pygmalion effect, believing you can handle stress can actually improve your body's response. So next time you feel stressed, just remember your body is a fascinating complex system working tirelessly to keep you balanced. Sometimes with a little help from your friends inside, like hormones and neural circuits, with a bit of mindfulness, you can help keep that allostatic load in check, ensuring your body stays happy and healthy.